Welcome. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Fiona Fernandez. Hope you all are doing well. I'm doing absolutely good and welcome to a very new vlog with me. You can see the beautiful clouds, and can I just believe it that it rained so heavily today in Mangalore. It was completely gloomy in the morning, but the weather climate now is totally opposite. It is back to being sunny and hot. I was so happy, but now I'm literally disappointed because that vibe of being so gloomy and cool is something different. And now in the evening, like I said, these days we just want to like get out, go to some quiet calm places. So impromptu, we just decided that we'll go to the beach now. So me and my mom will be going in one vehicle and my brother's in the other vehicle because dad isn't there. Dad has gone out for his work. So let's go. And we are going to the beach by taking the ferry ride. So me and my mom, we are going ahead and taking the tickets, whereas by the time my brothers join us, it will be proper, like, by the time they reach. Let's go. Wow, sun. Hello? Kitya, you had no hopes. You had no hope that you would survive with this boy. How was your ride? You're speechless. That shows how well you rode the vehicle. Make fun of me. In the end, they want me only, no?
Who asked you?
Let's see.
My mom is the one who asked you.
Stuffing the helmet inside so that no one steals it. Even though the plan was that me and my mom would grab tickets first, but unfortunately all of us will be going to the ticket counter together because of this person's exceptional riding skills. Correct? Why? So what, even I am in my home wear only because I don't feel like changing. Oh, ticket. Maka ikale kala go. Chapati eta na kauni ya muna ikale.
Oh, pura eko to kaum chettas.
So, guys, we have reached Tanirbavi beach. So we came through the ferry, and I don't know why, but the last time we were supposed to come to the beach, I did say Raure, Kalya. For some reason, I told my parents this side of the beach would be boring. We will take our car and go to the other side. But here, I had that very instinct when I visited this beach long back that they would start collecting entry fee, and that's become true. So the ticket for entrance is like, if it is for us adults it's 20 and for kids below 13 it is 10. And one more thing is that at 7 you have to compulsorily vacate the beach, and it's 6:45. We just have 15 minutes. So in the 15 minutes we just have to leave, and I don't see any point here like visiting. So this might be the very last time that we are entering the Tanirbavi beach through the ferryway, because first of all, we are the ones who come late and want to chill for a longer time, but there is no point even though we come, because that person was like, there is a CC camera, so there is no way that you can stay here post 7. It is Kali. And one more thing is, the beach is really empty. Maybe because people know that there is an entry fee and they can't stay for long. So that's what I always assume, because when I saw pictures and I saw no people here, so what I had in mind was that because it's under construction, no one visits. But this is the actual truth. Anyway, can't help it.
One hour later.
Once we came back from beach, we quickly did our family prayer together. Then now we are all ready to go to I'm going to go out to have our dinner because you all know yesterday was Mother's Day and it's a thing in our family, be it Mother's Day, Father's Day, Women's Day or anything, Daughter's Day, anything. My dad never misses like to go out together as a family and have dinner. But yesterday it was not possible. You all know my granny is not well, so we had to go there. So we decided we will be going today and we are going to our usual place that we go to have Chinese. That is, oh my, it's kind of like after many days, but yeah, so we will go there and have and enjoy our dinner.
Say something. So we are at a Chinese restaurant.
See this thing.
So we are at a Chinese restaurant.
You won't be heard, brother. You are too soft.
I have no experience in talking or vlogging, so please forgive me. So, as per my sister told me to say something, what am I supposed to say? I'll give some reviews about the product. Yeah. Look at my mom over here.
Give some reviews of what she does at home.
You can't do the front. Yeah.
Guy, completely innocent guy.
Mango.
Only the ones with experience will have that trick or that expertise to flip the
क्या ट्रिक क्या ट्रिक कुछ भी करना कुछ भी ओके का लगा बरं बक 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 करणं तसं
tension.
त्यांच्याची काल टेन्शन पहले से की अरे इस औरत की वजह से इस इंसान का टेंशन बढ़ गया है
Tension में बाल
वो सब बात उधर गया है
टेंशन की वजह से बाल भी सारे गिर चुके हैं. आई
सो गाइस हमारा सूप आया है सूप हैज कम तू कण घेते 4 का लगायला तू कण घेते
You think I eat? I eat this much and give it to my dad.
I don't know since when I'm vlogging, but yeah, this looks nice.
Already review dila.
Let's
It's hot. It's so hot that you can burn your tongue.
Then burn it.
Every time I come here, I burn my tongue because of that.
Sure. Why? One and the same.
Hi guys. So today is a sad day for my mom because her darling Karnaka Krissa, because her darling son is going to Chennai.
Chennai. Now, pehle Bangalore.
No,
Bangalore
from,
city.
that is
Porsche,
Bangalore.
Lamborghini,
But you're
Buddy
not
Belt.
roaming, no. That's for
Wait,
her. From Bangalore to you're going to
We
Chennai.
are staying in Bangalore.
Yeah.
For a second. To meet.
But why are you going to Chennai? Tell people why you're going to
He knows.
Chennai.
You can ask him.
No, you know it better.
I have no idea.
He is going to meet his sister. Isn't it?
What is on this stuff?
What?
See my new haircut.
Yeah, he looks so
I
cute.
like your cut, G.
This guy looks so cute with his new haircut. I really loved it. You can see it,
Man.
how it looks. Looking
killing
so
me.
cute. See her. Especially, and also he's got 2 moles here.
Huh?
Mole number 1 and mole number 2. And as to why he's going to Chennai is to meet
yeah.
his sister. Basically, he has got one more family. That is the place where we were staying before this house. We were staying for rent. So our owners, they were more like of our family friends because we were belonged to the same area before. But then when Chris was very small, he always visiting their house early morning. Used to go like they used to stay below and us above, so used to go there. So that's how he built a new family with them. So if this is his second house, this is his first house, that is his second house. Even for vacations he goes over there. And so his sister she is doing her studies in Chennai, and so her brother is all set to meet her.
Alle, good job.
So, mom, your son won't be home for the next 3 days.
Yeah, so.
How does it feel? Guys, now she'll be like, so what? But then she's like,
So what?
kitle boring, Christina, gara.
So,
So kiri karnasta. If I get a chance to record that statement, but definitely she will put out that statement.
CCTV camera girl with the recorder.
Kale. Nah. So yeah, get ready. Mom is packing his clothes.
While me going and watching.
Yeah, while he is not at all interested,
As if you are interested. Shut up.
then what are you doing? Is watching anime, and he'll be leaving in some time, and we will have a party in the house, excluding Chris. So me and Cyrus will have party. We'll have lot of shawarmas, Chris, because that is his favorite food. He just had one now, because before leaving he wanted to have. Let's.
Now it's
Okay.
the dinner.
What?
Outside.
Now it's dinner time for him, and after dinner he will be leaving. So that's when I will continue the vlog.
For all of us.
What?
Dinner.
Time for my baby brother to go.
Yeah.
What? Get out and all. Bye, Chris.
Correct you ulta.
Living.
Bye, Dada.
Help us there.
You are not going. You look dumb. Okay. You look like a kid. Bye, Ma.
Bye.
See you. I'll be back after 4 days. Yeah, after 4 days.
See me by 4 minutes. Bye, Chris. Bye, Chris.
Not 4 minutes, I'll be back after 4 days.
Yeah, good. Good for you. Go along
Where
with
is
him.
my water bottle?
Watch, she's carried.
Not
Say
that
bye.
bottle.
Say
The
bye.
biggest bottle. That
Say
is-
bye to all, bro.
Get out.
Bye, Sankris Puranki. Oh shit, leak.
Try to jale.
Second.
Check See you after. See you after 4 days, Chris. Bye. Enjoy your stay. Enjoy your vacation. Your his first outing since his holidays began.
Yeah.
Yeah. You're not going, Cyrus? Oh, enough. Oh, guitar. Huh? Why? What plans? Okay, bye. Done, guys. I am ending this vlog. I don't know when this guy will leave. Actually, I was waiting for him to leave. But anyway, I'm sorry. Yeah. I'll be ending this vlog here. So make sure you guys like it, share it, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. Bye bye, guys. Good night. Good night, Chris. Bye bye. Bye.